Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create an org chart in Google Docs. First, log into your Google Docs account and open a document. Once inside one, on the upper ribbon, click on this Insert button. Then, from the options, select on Drawing, then create a new one. Here you can now create your organizational chart. First, we need shapes. So click on this shape icon, choose on shapes, and choose one based on your liking. So I'm going to choose on this rectangle and just draw it on here. Now just go and CTRL-C and V. So you'll have a lot of shapes according to how many positions you have. Now that you have those, just go and arrange them according to their position. Make sure that they have enough space for the lines. Now once done, it's time to draw your lines. So on the upper ribbon, click on this line icon, then point it to the one point of the rectangle and drag it to the other one. Just go ahead and do that to the other shapes. Now you can go ahead and arrange the shapes so that they are more aligned according to the line. Then also you can change their colors. Just select one. Then on the fill color section on the upper ribbon, you can go ahead and choose the color that you want for your chart. Now after that, you can go ahead and add in the data of your chart. So choose this text box, then add one to a shape, and now you can type your positions. For example, is first the CEO. You can change its font, also the font size if you want to make it bigger. Then you can go ahead and also do that to other shapes to complete your chart. For example, I have all these positions and I'm gonna add it to my chart. So just go ahead and arrange that. Now once done, on the top right corner, you can now save it and close. And here you will be able to have your org chart in your Google Docs. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.